In this video today, we're going to review 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. Cutting-edge gadgets designed to save you, smarten you up, and make you more self-sufficient. From handy survival kits to high-tech gadgets, these are the devices every explorer needs to have. Let's begin. Number 1. BeaverCraft. The BeaverCraft BSH3 Nightfall is a high-quality carbon steel fixed-blade bushcraft knife suitable for adventure seekers who require resilience and accuracy. For hiking, camping, or hunting, this full-tang survival knife provides dependability in any condition. Made from 1066 carbon steel with a 58 to 60 HRC hardness, it provides long-term sharpness and toughness. Blued steel finish provides greater corrosion resistance, making it ideal for use in rainy or humid environments. Its ergonomic European walnut handle gives a firm and comfortable hold, while the cowhide leather sheath has it safely within arm's reach. The BSH3 Nightfall is 245mm in overall length, lightweight, stylish, and performance-oriented, a perfect option for outdoor enthusiasts. Price at $49. Number 2. Arcturus Survival Blanket. The Arcturus Survival Blanket is a must-have all-weather travel mate for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With durability and functionality in mind, it comes with a mylar reflective surface that conserves body heat and can be used to signal for rescue, as well as a polypropylene side with a hard, water-resistant surface for the tarp, shelter, or ground cover. 60 inches by 82 inches size and weighing just 1.4 pounds, it's lightweight and simple to carry in its supplied waterproof bag. Reinforced corners and 4 tie-down grommets provide great strength for anchoring in extreme outdoor conditions. For use as a warmth source, protection, or emergency signaling, the Arcturus all-weather outdoor survival blanket is a solid solution for any scenario. Price at $21.99. Number 3. Rexbeti Fold-In Saw. The Rexbeti folding saw is a durable, high-performance camping, survival, bushcraft, and general yard work folding saw made with a solid 11-inch SK5 steel blade. It cuts through branches up to 7 inches in diameter, wet or dry, with ease. The triple-cut, staggered teeth, 7 TPI, allow for fast, smooth, and accurate sawing, while the 2-position locking blade guarantees control and safety for overhand or underhand cuts. Its rubber-coated anti-slip handle provides a comfortable, secure grip in any condition and is ambidextrous. At 22 inches extended and 12 inches closed, it's small enough to be stored away, but strong enough for chopping firewood, building a shelter, or pruning plants. Durable and versatile, the Rexbeti folding saw is an essential item for campers, gardeners, and outdoor users alike. Price at $17.99. Number 4. RKR Fire Starter Kit. The RKR Fire Starter Kit is a portable, one-stop fire starting kit that works for campers, hikers, and survivalists. It features a 4-inch magnesium alloy ferro rod with multi-tool striker and fire tinder wick bellow, providing you with all it takes to start a flame regardless of weather or altitude. The ferro rod is made from high-grade materials, creating sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, 3,000 degrees Celsius, and extending 15,000 strikes, providing long-term reliability. The waterproof fire tinder wick lights up in an instant, assisting you in building a powerful fire with ease. The multi-tool striker acts as a bottle opener, scraper, hex wrench, and ruler, while the survival paracord rope functions as a neck lanyard or emergency tool. All pieces fit nicely into a rugged black metal box, so you can comfortably pack it in your backpack or pocket. A must-have for every outdoor survival kit. Price at $12.99. Number 5. Holtzbrook Almike. The Holtzbrook Almike is an elite, small, all-around hatchet made with traditional Swedish craftsmanship and contemporary precision. Hand-forged from solid Swedish axe steel at the ancient Holtzbrook Forge, founded in 1697, the Almike is forged for balance, sharpness, and strength. Weighing a mere 1.75 pounds with a 1-pound head and 16-inch American hickory handle, it's small but mighty ideal for camp duties, starting fires, carving, or survival in the wild. The turpentine pattern head includes a finger notch for precision work, with a razor-sharp, polished edge that retains incredible cutting ability. The curved hickory handle, sanded and treated with linseed oil, adds comfort and traction. Every Almike includes a premium leather sheath, belt loop, storage box, and owner's manual. An enduring tool uniting craftsmanship and function, the Holtzbrook Almike is crafted to endure generations. Price at $199. Number 6. ESEE Mini Survival Kit. The Mini Survival Kit is a handy yet indispensable emergency kit for adventurers, hikers, and survivalists who believe in being prepared to face any situation in any place. Inside a sturdy black tin 3.75 inches by 2.25 inches by 0.75 inches package, this light kit contains all the tools you'll need for survival emergencies. It includes a fishing kit, instant tinder tabs, compact ferrocerium rod with striker, signal mirror, cordage, button compass, snare wire, folding razor blade, survival card, and bright strike light. With as much utility as it packs into its small space, this kit can assist with starting fires and catching food, as well as signaling for rescue or finding one's way through unknown lands. The tin case is small enough to fit inside the ESEE 5 or ESEE 6 sheath pouch, and thus perfectly suited for everyday carry or outdoor activities. Practicality and functionality defined, the Mini Survival Kit has you prepared for anything at all times. Price at $51.92. Number 7. Leatherman Skeletool. The Leatherman Skeletool is a lightweight, minimal, everyday carry multi-tool with outdoor versatility. Weighing only 5 ounces, 141.75 grams, it packs functionality and simplicity in one stainless steel frame. The Skeletool boasts a 420HC stainless steel combo blade, tough pliers, a bit driver with supplied Phillips and flathead bits, and a carabiner bottle opener integrated into its frame. Its pocket clip for easy removal makes it accessible at all times, and its blade lock mechanism guarantees protection in use. Measuring 4 inches closed and 6 inches open, this handy tool presents the optimal balance of dimensions and operation. Equipped with a 2.6-inch blade and a corrosion-resistant body, it's perfect for everyday chores, repairs, or backcountry excursions. The Leatherman Skeletool is the epitome of quality workmanship and utilitarian design, small, elegant, and ready for action at all times. Sheath sold separately. Price at $74.95. Number 8. Holtzman's Gorilla Grower. The Holtzman's Gorilla Grower is a top-grade D2 steel survival knife designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. Its overall length is 12.32 inches with an impressive 6.92-inch razor-sharp blade, providing superior strength, accuracy, and toughness for bushcraft, hunting, camping, or emergency purposes. The G10 non-slip handle offers a firm grip, while the Kydex sheath with a leather strap and improved tech lock keeps it securely by your side. Ideal for versatility, it comes with a fire starter rod, G10 scraper, paracord, and Allen wrench, all organized in an upscale gift box. From trimming wood, rope, or metal, the Grower excels in every condition. Durable, dependable, and exquisitely made, it's the ultimate survivalist and outdoor enthusiast's best friend. Price at $149.95. Thanks for watching! These 10 essential survival accessories and gadgets on Amazon 2025 demonstrate that being prepared does not equal giving up on innovation or style. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or simply need to be prepared in case of emergencies, these tools have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more great survival gear and outdoor technology videos. Stay safe and prepared.